Gastric motility disorders are common and debilitating, with symptoms such as chronic nausea and vomiting, leading to a devastatingly poor quality of life and limited therapeutic options. Similar to the heart, the stomach is controlled by omnipresent rhythmic bioelectrical activity, known as slow wave. It has been confirmed that slow wave dysrhythmias are associated with gastric motility disorders, with limited therapeutic options targeting them. Similarities between stomach and heart electrophysiology inspired us to borrow from advances in the cardiac field. One of these proven therapies is ablation, where focused energy is delivered to induce electrical blocks to disrupt the abnormalities and restore normal heart rhythm. Through a series of experiments, we successfully defined the safe and effective energy dose range to create electrical blocks in the stomach and showed that gastric dysrhythmia can be eliminated using ablation, restoring the stomach to its normal pattern. Altogether, this body of work has pioneered gastric ablation as a novel technique for modulating slow wave activity, offering a potential therapeutic option for patients with gastric motility disorders.